Welcome! In front of me I have Forever iGO JW-100 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from your phone. First we need to open the Forever Go Fit application on our phone. In the app you should see the dashboard page, this one. Now tap on this icon right here in the top left corner to open the menu, and here you have device option. And it should say JW-100 right here. For some reason, sometimes this app has problems with connecting with the watch, and you need to open the menu a couple of times, and it will say the JW-100. Then tap on the device option. Now scroll all the way down, tap on Unpair, then tap Yes to confirm. And you should see the device list right here. That means that the watch is unpaired from our phone. You can also wake up the screen on your watch, and here you have this icon of the chain link, and it's disconnected. That means that the watch is unpaired from your phone. And that's how you unpair this watch from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.